Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Dear students, your science teacher Sayyida Juwaria Rahman is here and we are learning about the characteristics of living things in unit number 4. In the previous lecture, you learned about some major characteristics of living things, and at the end of this lecture, you will be able to explain the remaining characteristics of living things. So let's start. Students, as you know, these are the major characteristics of living things, and I explained the first three characteristics in the last lecture. So today we will start from the fourth one, and that is movement. Dear students, all animals move from place to place in search of food, water, shelter, and to avoid danger. And this movement is called locomotion. But just like animals, plants cannot move. Since they prepare their own food, they need not to go from place to place in search of food, but plants move in a different way. Because certain parts of plants show movement, for example, the leaves move in the direction of sun and roots move in the direction of water. The fifth one is reproduction. Dear students, reproduction is the process in which living organisms give birth to a young ones and make a new life, while plants produce seeds for this purpose. And it is very important because if a species does not reproduce, it can die out. Next one is sensitivity. Students, all living things respond or react to things which happen in their environment or in their surrounding. For example, when an animal realizes it is in danger and it runs for safety. Similarly, you remove your hand quickly when you touch a very hot thing. And the leaves of mimosa plants close when you touch them. The last one characteristic is excretion. Dear students, all living things produced waste materials in their body, and removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. So this is the end of today's lecture. Now what you have to do, fill the following blanks and send me your answers at this given Gmail ID before your next lecture. If you want to ask any question related to this topic, you can contact me through this email ID. Until then, best of luck. Allah Hafiz.